We're at the South Canoe Trail System in Seminar, BC, on the unceded territory of the Secwepemc Nation. Here we are in the interior Douglas fir biogeoclimatic zone, the IDF zone, where the interior Douglas fir is the climatic climax species. And this zone is important for grazing livestock and also for the forestry industry. Now let's take a look at the soils. So when we're taking a look at the humus, we discovered that it was a motor because it's moderately friable, but it also stays together in your hands pretty nicely. So yeah. We've discovered that the soil order is a Luvasol, which is enriched with clay and has a BT horizon. This is an interior Douglas fir characterized by the curved exerted cone scale bracts, as you can see here, and a sharp pointed terminal bud on the branches. It also has ascending primary branches and deeply furrowed bark, as you can see here. The Douglas fir is a very important species to the forestry industry and is consistently harvested as a result. And to the indigenous people, it was used for firewood, to make fishing hooks, and to make snowshoes. And the seeds of the cones are edible. Okay, and once again, this is Douglas fir, scientific name Pseudotsuga menziesii. Alright, here we see a ponderosa pine. This is a pioneer species in the IDF zone. It's characterized by the cones with the armored cones, as you can see here, and it is the only hard pine in Canada with 3 needles. Most of them have 2, and it has a what is it called? Fascicle bundle sheath as well on the needles. And it's also characterized by its classic reddish-brown puzzly bark that gives off the distinctive smell, kind of like vanilla and such. This tree is drought tolerant, as well as the bark is fire resistant. And if you look up, you'll see the large pom-poms that are also characteristic of ponderosa pine. For the indigenous uses of the ponderosa pine, the seeds and inner bark were consumed by the indigenous people. They used the tree itself to make dugout canoes, and the resin was used to waterproof moccasins and other items. So once again, this is the ponderosa pine, scientific name Pinus ponderosa. A little bit further up the trail, and we've now transitioned into the interior cedar hemlock zone. This is a western red cedar, and we can tell because of its scale-like leaves and its little cones here, and its nice fibrous bark. This species is not only important for the forest industry, but also for the indigenous people of this area. They use this tree for dugout canoes and also to make the paddles. They used it for masks and bentwood boxes. Once again, this is the western red cedar. Its scientific name is Thuja plicata.